So here we will discuss about various synthesis of pharmaceutical drugs. First drug is isoniazid, that is anti-tubercular drug that inhibit the formation of mycolic acid. So the isoniazid can be synthesized from the starting material, that is 4-methylpyridine. Upon oxidation of 4-methylpyridine, it gives acid. So when acid treated with hydrazine, that is NH2, so the water molecule can remove from the acid and hydrazine and form the isoniazid. So the basic structure of isoniazid pyridine ring containing NH2 NHNH2 group and CONHNH2 group on the para position. Next synthesis is para-aminosalicylic acid. So the para-aminosalicylic acid is also used for the treatment of anti-tubercular drug and also inhibit the formation of mycolic acid synthesis. So this para-aminosalicylic acid can be synthesized from the 3-aminophenol when treated with carbon dioxide in alkaline medium under pressure. So it gives para-aminosalicylic acid. So the para-aminosalicylic acid basically synthesized from the carbon dioxide in the alkaline medium upon pressure. So it is also used in anti-tubercular as an anti-tubercular agent or the tuberculosis for the treatment of the tubercular drug and inhibit the synthesis of mycolic acid biosynthesis. Next drugs, the synthesis of nitrofurantine. So the nitrofurantine is synthesized from the hydrazinoacetic acid. So nitrofurantine is synthesized from the hydrazinoacetic acid, which is synthesized by, so the hydrazinoacetic acid is synthesized from reacting with hydrazine, that is first reagent, and with chloroacetic acid, that is ClCH2 3OOH, and hydrazine is NH2NH2. Upon treating hydrazine reacted with, when hydrazine reacted with chloroacetic acid, it will form hydrazinoacetic acid. Upon hydrazinoacetic acid further treated with potassium cyanide, it gives the semicarbazidoacetic acid. So the semicarbazidoacetic acid is NHCO CH2COOH NH2. So upon further treatment with, upon heating, it will cyclize into 1-aminohydrantoin, and this 1-aminohydrantoin when react with 5-nitrofurfuryl, so it gives nitrofurantine. So here it is the synthesis of the nitrofurantine from the hydrazine, that is hydrazinoacetic acid, that is synthesized from the hydrazine and chloroacetic acid. Next drug for synthesis is ciprofloxacin. Ciprofloxacin is an antibiotic. It can be synthesized from the intermediate 3-chloro-4-chlorophenyl cyclopropylamine when react with 3-ethoxymethylene malonic acid diethyl ester. It will on heating and in the presence of cyclopropylamine, it will form the intermediate. When this intermediate react with the piperazine, it will form ciprofloxacin. So the basic mechanism for basic synthesis of the ciprofloxacin is when 3-chloro-4-chlorophenyl cyclopropylamine react with ethoxymethylene malonic acid diethyl ester in the presence of cyclopropylamine upon heating it will give an intermediate, that is cyclide intermediate, and further it will, when treated with piperazine, it will form, finally it will form ciprofloxacin. So the ciprofloxacin is an antibiotic. So here are some synthesis that are covered under the B Pharm third year, sixth semester, under antitubercular agent and antibiotic. So thank you.